Fine, let us start solving problem number 16 right here. Mohan, a student of class 5, secured 315 marks out of 450. Find marks in percentage. We have to represent in terms of percentage, right? To do that, so it's very simple one. What you can do, right? So 315 is scored out of 450, that into 100. This is what the percentage representation of 315 out of 450, right? Let us check out, simplify it. 0, 0 I'll cancel. 5 2s are 5 9s. So this will become 315 into 2, that divided by 9. Right, next is, so let me check out whether 315 is divisible by 9. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3